Welcome back, friends. Today I will discuss on the topic MAP kinase pathway. What is MAP kinase? It is the mitogen activated protein kinase. Also, MAPK is a type of protein kinase that is specific to the amino acid serine and threonine. Also, it is the serine threonine specific protein kinase. Okay. Then, what is the pathway of activation of the MAP2 kinase? MAP2 kinase of this pathway is called a PBS2, related to the mammalian MAP kinase that is 3, 4, 6 and 7, and the dedicated MAP3 kinase involved in the activation are SSK2 and SSK22, that is the serine threonine specific protein. Okay, then next one is the what is the MAPK ERK pathway. MAPK and ERK pathway is a chain of protein in the cell that communicates a signal from the receptor on the surface of the cell to the DNA in the nucleus of the cell. That is, in this pathway, the signal starts when signaling molecule binds to the receptor on the cell surface and ends with the DNA in the nucleus. This expresses the protein and produces some changes in the cell like that of a cell division. Then this pathway includes many proteins including the MAPK, which communicated by adding the phosphate groups to the neighboring proteins. There are near about the 160 proteins used in this pathway, or this ERK pathway regulates the various cytosolic nuclear proteins. Okay. Then RAS, RAF, MEK, ERK pathway. MAP kinase pathway is also called as RAS, RAF, MEK, ERK, that is ERK pathway. RAS is a small guanosine triphosphate and have the forms HRAS, KRAS for A and B and NRAS. And RAF also have isoforms ARAF, BRAF and CRAF. Then MEK, I have already told about the MEP kinase pathway that mentioned the MEPK and ERK kinase proteins. Okay. Then ERK, that is ERK. ERK is the extracellular signal regulated kinase that regulate the various cytosolic and nuclear proteins. And also this ERK involves the cell proliferation, survival, metastasis, etc. Now I will explain what is the exact mechanism of this pathway. What exactly the pathway, how does it work? Okay, this RAS here, this is the RAS, is interact with the GRB protein with SOS. SOS is the son of 7 years. This is the different factor. Then what this RAS is activate with the GRB2 and SOS. This GRB2 activated with the help of this the signal is attached to the bind to the receptor molecule. Okay, then once the activate RAS molecule, then interact with the RAF molecule and it will be the phosphorylate. Okay, that is it also activated, and this is the MAP kinase. MAP kinase. Okay. Once the RAF activated, then activate the another protein called MEK MEK 1 and 2, that is the MAP kinase. This one is the MAP 3 times kinase, and MEK 1 and 2 is the MAP kinase. Further, this MEK 1 and 2 activated, then ERK1 and 2 also activated. This ERK1 and 2 is called the MAP kinase. Here, what is the exact mechanism? RAS is activated with the help of GRP2 and SOS. Then RAS activated, after RAF also activated and phosphorylated. Then RAF is a activated RAF is a MAP kinase. Then after activation of the RAF, MEK1 and 2 activated. That is called as MEK1 and 2 is a MAP kinase. Okay. Then further activation. Is the ERK. ERK1 and 2 activated. That is MAP kinase. Okay. Then finally, this ERK1 and 2 will go to the activate other cellular messengers and relaying molecules which are acting as a terminal relaying molecule. Terminal relaying molecules like the SAP1, NAT and ELK1, etc. There are the number of the relaying molecules found in the nucleus. Okay, then these molecules will used as a transcription factor and transcription occur and protein is produced. Okay. Then once this ERK activated and transferred in a nucleus, and several different genes of the transcription factor like the CMYC, ETS, CJUN and CFOS, this factor activation is important. This factor activation is important for the proliferation, growth, cell proliferation, cell growth, survival and metastasis, etc. This is the main purpose of the MAP kinase pathway. MAP kinase pathway is a simple mechanism. It is a very complex mechanism, but RAS is activated with the help of GRP2 and SOS. Then again RAF is activated with the help of RAS and phosphorylate. When activation of the RAF, further activated the MEK1 and 2, that is MAP kinase. Then activated this MEK2, activated the ERK1 and 2, that is MAP kinase. This ERK is transferred into the nucleus and different several genes activated is used, and this different several genes used for the cell proliferation, growth and survival, metastasis, etc. This is about the MAP kinase pathway. Thank you.